To add steps counter to the lock screen on the Samsung A37 5G, start by opening the system settings. Right now you will have to go below into wallpaper and style, open lock screen and click to add widgets. Now we have to go below for Samsung Health and pick this widget, daily activity. Click on it. Now click outside and you have to click done to apply. Now when you lock the screen and unlock, you will have to click here to start with that widget. We'll be redirected to the Samsung Health application. We have to just simply turn it on. There we go. Click allow for everything, all of those permissions, select what is your goal, for example, exercise. Now we are all set. And take a look right now, when you lock it, we should find this counter over here. As you can see, it is available right now. But of course, you can also find some permissions, the additional permissions, and here we can find our daily steps that will be visible also over here. But of course, when you click here, you can set targets, so you can set any targets of the steps that you want.